Hey everybody, Chris Floyd here. Here today I have an unboxing for you of the, got an unboxing for you, from Apple. I ordered this a couple days ago. I think it was like Black Friday. Ordered it Black Friday, and it just came to me, today's Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday, the week after. What do you want to see first? I'm gonna say go for this. It says customer service, 112, Hidden Lake Circle, Duncan, South Carolina, 29334. There. It's just got my name and stuff. But you can't really tell it's anything until you open it up. And look at that beautiful, beautiful Apple logo on the front. You can always tell something's got to be in there with Apple. And I got this year's, new gift card with the Apple EarPods and the light bulbs on a strand. Yep. I don't think I'll be posting this until, right before, maybe like the day before Christmas, because both of these Apple products I got for my grandma and grandpa. And if you want to know their names, Dawn Rose and Kathy Rose. Those are my mom and dad's, my grandma isn't really my grandma. She's my step-grandma, but, she's pretty nice to me. So, I got her the gift card. This, I think, is the Apple TV I got for my grandpa. If you notice, this is my first Apple unboxing. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. They actually wrapped it in cellophane. Like that. It's, it's just the regular Apple TV. Now I'm not going to take the Apple TV out of the box. I want that to be up to my grandfather to do. It's just a, mere unboxing. My goodness, this thing's heavy. But, there's nothing on the top. Let me get this stuff out of the way. There's nothing on the top. This is, one of the sides, just Apple logo. This is explaining some of the amazing content and airplay. There's always something good on TV. It shows, airplay and TV shows and more. And then here's, it's got the Wi-Fi built in, the HDMI, and the 1080p. And it's got a picture of the Apple TV. And it's got a bunch of, stuff on the bottom.